Alright, boys and girls, welcome to our guitar. Baby Don't Cry, I Don't Care. That sounds like two different song titles, and it's actually not. It's the group Baby Don't Cry with a song called I Don't Care. Alright, it's a group of 4 girls. I'm not sure where they come from, maybe South Korea or something like that. Yeah, tell me if I'm wrong. I'm not sure, but anyway, they do this uplifting song that we need to bring here to Gruvgear Guitar. So let's do that together. We had K on first. With that, 7 simple chords. Let's go into the chords, and we're gonna start with G first. Okay, so that goes 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. E minor, we have next open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. C, 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. This is A, open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. We have D next. Open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. 2 more chords to handle the bridge part, and that will be 2 bar chords. The first one is the B minor. You place the index finger on the 2nd fret as a bar. You push down the 5 strings from bottom and up like this. Then you need to add 4th on D, 4th G, and 3rd B. And the final chord is the C minor. You take the exact same grip and just place it 1 fret inwards, closer into your body to land at this position. Index finger now on 3rd, everything else follows there. It will be 5th on D, 5th G, and 4th B. That's the C minor, and there we have it, guys. Now let's go into the strumming. If you grab the first chord G, it goes like this. Okay, so it's first down, clap, then down, down, clap. So down, clap, down, down, clap, down, clap, down, down, clap. All right, so we're ready for the first verse. Let's go with G2, E minor 2, C2, and back to G2. That's the first half of it. Then E minor 2, C2, D2, and G2. That's the second half. Okay, you're gonna play once of this. So G, Alright, so that's the first verse. Now into the pre-chorus. We are now at 35 seconds in. What you're going to play now is E minor 2, A2, D2, and G2. You play that chord progression for 2 rounds. Let's do 1 round together. E minor, A, D, and G. Alright, that's a pre-chorus, and now 58 seconds in is the chorus, I Don't Care. Yes, you do, but that is how the chorus starts, the lyric. And it goes, the first half, E minor 2, C2, D2, and G2. The second half will be E minor 2, A2, D2, and 1 down on G with a pause. And that pause, the length of it is as if you would play 2 string rounds. So let's do it together. E minor, C, D, and G. E minor, A, D, and G. And that's it. All right. So that is the chorus, and that is the first round. Okay. Then we have the second round, and it's just repetition. No news there. Verse, pre-chorus, chorus, played in the exact same way. So that's that. And after that second chorus comes the bridge part. We hit now the 2 minutes and 30-second mark or so. What you're gonna play now is one down per chord. And you're gonna play the following chords: G, then B minor, then C, and then C minor. And the second half is E minor, D, C, and back to D. And that's it for the bridge. All right. After that comes the third chorus. No changes here. That will be played exactly in the same way as the previous choruses. And that is the end of this song, I Don't Care, from Baby Don't Cry. Okay? So, a nice uplifting song, like I said. Pretty straightforward when it comes to strumming and handling of the chords. We have 7 chords, yes, but they're pretty easy with the capo here on first. And if you don't have any capo, yes, don't care about that. You just play the same chords. It will be a little bit darker, but who cares? It's a cool song, so you just play. That's what I got for you guys, and I would appreciate if you have some support for me. Give me a thumb up and maybe leave a comment or so what do you think about this tutorial. Next time, play tuned.